Hello guys. Yeah, I'm still alive. And also, 2 days ago was my birthday. So yeah, that's something. So yeah. Anyways, let's just get straight into the video. I'm going to first showcase the M1s, and then I'll teach you how to make them. So this character has 4 M1s. So first I'll show you the basic combo. As you can see, the basic combo, and then we have the uppercut, and then we have the downswing. As you can see, it works pretty well. So yeah, let's just get into the tutorial. Okay, so here we have this character I made. You can really pick anything you want here. And here you're going to make 4 M1s. 4 melees. Melee 1, melee 2, melee 3, and melee 4. These 3 are pretty much identical to each other besides this one. So first, the first melee. It will have 3 branches, as you can see. The first thing we're going to do is put in audio. This is the sound ID I will be using. Depending on the start and the end you put, it will play a different sound effect. So if I put start 3 and end 4, it will play the whoosh sound effect when you use an M1. Then you'll add a visual with melee trail. The color, you can pick any color you want. For opacity, you'll be putting 2/3 of 1, which is 0.67. Yeah. For size, you don't need to change anything. For time, you'll be putting around 0.33, which is 1/3 of a second. We will be using around 1/3, 2/3, 1. For the limb, you're just going to choose the animation, the limb that is used in the animation. So for example, I'm using Todo's M1, first M1, so I'll be using the right arm. You don't really have to put an easing style for this. You'll also be adding no sprint and no jump. You could also add a no M1 if you wish to. Personally, I don't use it. For animation, just gonna use the melee, and then you're going to wait 0.2 seconds before putting the hitbox. This is because the M1 hits at 0.2 seconds, as you can see here. Then you're gonna go into your hitbox, default position, default size. Stun is going to be 2/3 of a second. You're going to put the stun animation. You're going to put the damage as 3. The first 2 M1s do 3 damage, and the 2 last M1s do 4 damage for most characters. Damage, melee, blockable, cancel enemy, can kill, but it's not single target, so it deals area damage. The branches, for branch, you're going to put hit. For branch target, you're going to put victim. This is in case you miss, you're just going to wait 0.2 seconds. There is a bit of a nuance here. The real time that it ends is after 0.13 seconds. So the M1 full duration is 0.33, but the animation doesn't play if you put it like that. Because I forgot to mention, but I put a fade out here. I'm going to put a fade out so the M1 looks smooth, like in the game. But if you put 0.13, it's not going to play the full animation, and it's not going to look smooth enough. So yeah, I would just be putting 0.2. For hit, we'll be playing we will be playing a velocity of 6.7 on z-axis during 0.2 seconds, and then you're also going to wait 0.2 seconds. For the victim, you'll be playing this audio, which is when you hit an M1, it's going to be 1, start 1 and end 2 for that audio. Then you're gonna add a glow. You're gonna put the white color. Also 2/3 of 1, 2/3 of opacity. Size you're gonna put 0.9, and time you're going to actually put 0.2. Yeah, not really any easy. For this, you're also going to put the same velocity you put here, but you're going to put it relative from branch, so it works. There is actually a difference here. You know, the usual hitbox, the usual damage is going to change, but the sound when you hit the victim will be different. It will be start 0 and end 1. Now let's get to what matters, which is the 4th M1. Here we will have no sprint, no jump. You're going to put 1 second on both with cancel on end. I'll explain it later. I'm going to make 3 branches: melee, up, and down. For melee, same thing as before, but if you miss, you'll be stunned for 1/3 of a second, and you're going to also wait for 1/3 of a second. And then here you're going to put a velocity block here. Velocity block. With a force of 33 on the z-axis for 1/3 of a second with last hit. The reason I don't put it here is because for some reason it bugs on NPCs and causes them to direction lock. So yeah, for now you can put it here with last hit. Also ragdoll 1 second, and then you're also gonna wait 0.33 seconds. Oh, another thing is here the stun doesn't really matter, I believe, so you don't need to mess with this. Anything else here? Yeah, it should be fine. Okay, for melee victim, you're gonna use this one, which is start 2 and end 3. Same glow as before. Now we have the uppercut or up tilt. Same as before, you're gonna use the up animation. So you search up, and you're gonna have the up animations, which is the uppercut animations. Yeah. Oh, what the? I don't know why it's not here, but okay. There you go. Now we're gonna have up hit. It's going to bring you up hit and up victim. For up hit, you're going to apply a force of 33 on the y-axis for 0.2 seconds with less hit, but you're going to put 1.5 seconds of ragdoll. Also a wait, and then here, same thing, and then the glow as well, but here you're gonna put a mesh. This is the mesh ID. It's the most similar one I found because it's not actually possible to make the real effect right now. As of right now, it starts with 0 opacity, then fades into 1. The position you're going to put is 2 on the y-axis and -2 on the alternate y-axis. The size is going to fade from 1 to 2. It's going to last 2/3 of a second, and the fade will be back out. So now we will have the down slam. For the down slam, it will be a bit different. It will have as 2/3 of a second as stun. So yeah, I mean that's basically it. And you're going to use the down animation. So you search down, and you'll have the down animation. Yep. Now we have. Oh, also one more thing. This will not have blockable, and the hitbox will also be a bit lower, so it can break the debris. So it will actually cause debris destruction. Now we have down hit, which we are going to set this. I think this doesn't really matter. You can put as much as you want, but just don't go too high or it will break. Just put anything negative here, and then a very small z-axis velocity, so it falls easier. It will last 0.33 seconds. Also last hit in 1.5 seconds of ragdoll. For down victim, you're actually going to use this audio, which doesn't have to do with start and end. The mash will be the same, but the positions will be a bit different. It's going to be minus 2.5 on the y-axis and then 2.5 on the alternate y-axis. And well, that's basically it. That's as accurate as I could get. Thank you for watching.